All right, today let's look at doing drywall takeoffs in the new web-based ConstructConnect Takeoff. So there's some really cool AI functionality with this, and that's going to do the majority of the takeoff for us. I've got a floor plan, but in this particular example, I'm going to use a reflected ceiling plan because there's some really cool functionality built in to detect the ceilings as well if you're doing acoustical ceiling tile or gypsum wallboard up there as well. I'm going to go ahead and select detect conditions so we can see what we're looking at here. So I want to start by pulling out the walls. I do have a default height already. I'm going to select 9 feet for that. Then I'm going to come over to the area measurement as well, and I have the ceiling options that I want to run. So I'm going to go ahead. This is going to let the AI run in the background for me. Already detected my scale length for me as well. So while this is running, it's going to connect and find different areas on both the ceilings as well as get my surface area for the walls that we're doing for the drywall. And it will start to build those conditions out on the left for me. So again, this is the AI doing all of it, really doing all the heavy lifting of the takeoff for me here. And once it punches out those conditions on the left-hand side here, we can show you how to update those as well. So there's a couple of things here that it's already detected for us. Obviously, you can see the different ceiling types it called out for the acoustic ceiling tile, gypsum wallboard, and then just miscellaneous ceiling there as well. Something I can do also is I can hide specific sections. So if I don't want to see those ceilings first, I can select that, remove it, and just focus on my walls. You will notice that it didn't get the external. We just want the internal walls, obviously, which is what it picked up for us here over. It doesn't do the external, just making sure we're doing everything on the internal side here. Now, one other piece I'll show, obviously we got our full linear footage of walls. I'm going to double click on this though, because I do want to understand the overall volume there as well. So again, I put my default wall height in there already for 9 feet. I'm going to do a surface area both sides for this and then square footage. Just simply update that. And now I've got all the square footage for my walls as well too. And again, I can add the ceilings back in if I need to do those sections or reassign these to different conditions if I need to do that as well. From here, I can just simply export out to PDF or Excel and finalize all my additional markups for any material, labor, or any additional costs that I want to do for the estimate. So again, really quick and easy, doing all the legwork basically with the AI here. A lot of powerful, quick functionality in here.